Hi friend, I hope you are doing well. So I will not take your much time. I will just give you a quick demo. So based on the research paper that you shared with me, I have just developed this Test-Time Diffusion Deep Researcher with the techniques or concept that were discussed on paper. Yeah, it might not adhere that paper 100% and task details, but it is uh, just I have tried to incorporate all the features. Okay, so yeah, you can also, first of all, you can also run it on this terminal just by running this command python run.py address test address and maximum stress. There's the run.py file out of the all directories that you can just quickly test it, and you will see the verbose here, that how it is running. It is using it is first initially it is drafting plan, and then it create initial draft, and then it use search tool to get more data, and then it generates final report. And all of the final reports, if you will run it on terminal, you will be able to see here. So you can see first there is a plane with multiple sections. Okay, and after that plane we have the search results. It uses search node to get more data from internet. Okay, I have kept, for now I have kept k is equals to 3, and I have also limitized just 3 searches 3 times. It will do search maximum 3 times just for a quicker demo, but you can increase the limitation and you can make it up to 10 or 15. It will then go get more data, but it will then take much time, and then after that it will draft a report. After drafting a report, it will provide us the final report, and you will also see over here, and you can follow the readme file, yeah, to how to run it. And if you want to run it on LangGraph UI, so I have added the commands here. Yeah, after setting environment, you can just use this command, just copy it, and I will come over here, and you will, after first initially you will need to set up the environment, and all of the files are there. And after setting there, you can just test your agents here. You can see start, then parse input, then stage, there is stage 1 to plan, and then stage 2 is draft the response. Then there is a search and denoise nodes. It will search more data from internet and provide it to the agent, and then agent will denoise the stage 2 draft, and then we will be getting final report. So just let me run it quickly, and let me use this query, control C, and let me make a new thread. And over here I will give a query, generate a feasibility study for 1 2 3 man. Just, it is a dummy query. I will just show you the workflow. So yeah, it initially it will generate the draft, generate the plan, and after that plan we will be getting the response. After that it will draft a response, second stage, you can see. And after second stage, it will use search tool to search more information from internet, and it will denoise, and then it will create a final report. Stage 2 draft, after that it will search. So stage 2 basically currently it is just using LLM, but I have also added the retrieval tool, Chroma vector store, but I don't have any data because you guys did not provided me a data to ingest into a vector store. So if you will provide me data, and also we can connect, the pipeline is ready. We'll just need to connect that vector store with stage 2 where it uses LLM. Then it will also use vector store to utilize that knowledge base as well to create an initial draft. So yeah, I am done with. There you will find a IPYNB file. I have defined the yeah, this you can see. I have ingested all the data into Chroma vector store, and then in data section you will see dump file, pickle file, which can be used stage 2 agent to also utilize vector store. And I have also done with the implementation. We'll just need to add this tool in agent 2 drafter. But if you will guys provide me some data, for now I just use dummy URLs, and I scraped these URLs and used chunking strategies from LangChain, and then ingested that data into a vector store. So now you can see after multiple So now you can see after multiple searches from stage 1 plan creation, we got plan, and in each section we have questions. This is something, yeah, this is plan. And then I will also show you trace. After that plan, it created a draft, initial draft. Okay, so after creating a draft, it did some research using tabular research tool. I used tabular API. You can see it got data. After that, it denoised revision 1, and then again it did some research, and then it just created a final report, which is this. It can be enhanced further. It can be enhanced. Yeah, and let me show you also a trace. If I come over here, this is some therefore I used this LangSmith because I can see everything here, all the traces. Yeah, from input parsing to stage 1, initiate created a draft. So in draft, in plain draft, we got these questions, this planar agent created, and then we have stage 2, which created an initial draft based on this plan. You can see, and after that, it used search tool and denoise tool to search more and denoise it. Okay, and then finally, yeah, you can see here denoise. Okay, denoised revision 1, and then in final we got a final output. This is the final output. So this is how it is running, and yeah, I will be available further for more explanation. Thank you.